So the right hand side, what I drawn means this is a cell ma. This is a cell. This is a membrane. Whatever जो भी ये part है ना ये membrane है. अगर उसको zoom करके देखो तो you will be able to see this type of structure. This is just the representation only. ये cell है. Left hand side, right hand side that is a cell. This is entire thing is a cell. And this area जो भी that area is है. Whatever this part जो भी है ना. अगर उसको zoom करके देखे तो अगर उसका zoom microscope के अंदर if you try to keep that in the microscope and if you are seeing the structure then you will be getting like this type of structure. So in this just if you go and see this one what I'm trying to tell you तो कि जो भी lipids है ना दो चीजें it is made up of two things. One is called as a hydrophilic heads and the other one is called as hydrophobic tails. Hydrophobic tails. So just see the diagram. Just see the diagram. Everyone see the diagram. I'm pointing it out. जो भी ये head है, what is this? You can clearly see this head. ये जो भी head है ना, उसको क्या बोल के बुलाते बोलो तो the name and it is called as hydrophilic head. This head and even this head, all these are called as heads. All these are called as a head. All these are called as a heads. All these are called as a heads. And what are they called? What are the name given to them is that is called as a hydrophilic head. So if a person comes and asks you, I am by myself only asking you one question. What is this hydrophilic head is made up of? What is the answer? It's just asking you so that whether to know whether you people are listening my class or not. A hydrophilic head then to tire. What is that hydrophilic head is made up of? What type of molecule it is made up of? Hydrophilic head is made up of what type of molecule? Hydrophilic head is made up of what type of molecule? A hydrophilic head जो भी है ना कौन सा type of molecule से made हुआ है? Rohit, very good Rohit, very good very good. Samir wrong answer. Samir wrong answer. Rohit, very good. Pushwartha wrong. The answer lies on your screen only, Warren. why you people are why you people are like going very deep. उतना deep में सोचने की जरूरत नहीं है. If the Alin is there, Alin है क्लास में. माँ आलिना लाके साथ तेजे से हूँ माँ आप अगर क्लास नहीं सुने तो आप अगर मुझे आंसर्स नहीं बोले तो कहूँगा राकेश साहब तो मुझे बोलते कि सर अलीना listens to the class etc. Very good ma. Teja very good. Teja say the correct answer. Alina say the Alina also say the correct answer. Answer lies on your screen and Jepinam. See here lipids is made up of two types of anjepina. Hydrophilic heads and hydrophobic tails. This is the hydrophilic head. And I'm asking you what this hydrophilic head. The answer is here only now. Lipids. This heads, whatever those things are there, they are made up of the lipids. And is this hydrophobic tails, they are also made up of the lipids only. Just try to understand all these structures, whatever all these structures are there, they are made up of the lipids only. Hydrophilic head kaaniyandi, hydrophobic tail kaaniyandi, whatever these two things are there, they are made up of the lipids only. उतना deep में जाने की जरूरत भी नहीं है. I'm just asking you what are they made up of. The answer is very simple. They are made up of the lipids. So this is the header. The circle part it is called as a hydrophilic header. These two sticks, the tail-looking type, whatever the thing is, that is called as a hydrophobic tail. Now here comes the one point. You might know what is phobia. Phobia ante telusu phobica or phobia ante telusu. Phobia or the phobica. When you translate this term phobic or phobia, it means one word that is a fear. It means fear. కొందరికేమో బుక్ చదవాలంటే భయం, కొందరికేమో తాళం చూసే భయం, కొందరికేమో బల్లిలను చూసే భయం, కొందరికి కాక్రోచెస్ చూసే భయం, కొందరికి అడ్డం సో ఆల్ దోస్ థింగ్స్ ఆర్ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో దాన్ని భయాలు అంటారు. దాని గ్రీక్ లాంగ్వేజ్ లో ఏమని పిలుస్తారంటే దాని గ్రీక్ లాంగ్వేజ్ లో ఇట్ ఇస్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ ఫోబియా. ఇన్ గ్రీక్ లాంగ్వేజ్ ఇట్ ఇస్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ అ ఫోబియా. So in this case, one word is added in front of the phobia that is called as a hydro. So is a type of biome. What type of fear it is actually? This type of fear is called as a water fear. Water fear. And water ni choose biome. Water ni choose biome. If you are seeing the water, very good, ma. Fear from water. That is called as hydrophobia. That is called as a hydrophobia. The opposite to the phobia is the philic. Opposite to is a philic. Fear, phobia ki opposite in the ante that is a philic. Philic means that is a love. It is a love. One is a water hater. Phobia means fear. Philic means love. So what is this hydrophilic head means? A hydrophilic head means that is a water lover. It is actually water lover. So what my point is that head loves water, tail hates water. That you have to keep it in mind. Head जो भी है ना hydrophilic head जो भी है ना, it loves water. Whatever that the head is there, it is not at all afraid of the water. It allows the water. It is very good in handling the water, etc., etc. But whatever this hydrophobic tail is there, they are totally afraid of the water. That's why they are present behind the head. Head के पीछे रह रहे वो लोग. Are we clear? They are present behind the head. They are present, and even you can clearly see the heads are present outer side and inner side. The heads are facing the outer side and the inner side, not the tails. जो भी tails है ना, tails outer side को और inner side face नहीं कर रहे. Outer side of the cell and inner side of the cell they are not facing. This is the C. This is the inner side. This is the inner side, and this is the outer side. The outer side who is facing means the heads are only facing. The inner side also who is facing means heads are only facing. So heads are present in the outer side, heads are present in the inner side. Then who is present between them means the tails are present. Who is present inside them? There is a tails are present. Inside means the tails are present. So very simple basics. This allow the basics only. So the time in actually last 10 minutes, last 8 minutes only. I'll leave the class after. So I hope it is simple now. You might have understand what all the phobic అంటే ఏంది, philic అంటే ఏందో అర్థమైంది అనుకుంటున్నాను. I hope you people are able to understand what is meant by phobic and what is meant by philic. So coming to the point, hydrophilic head అంటే అర్థమైంది, hydrophobic tail అంటే అర్థమైంది. So what are they made up of means they are made up of the lipids కూడా అర్థమైంది. Who is facing outer side, who is facing inner side means heads are facing outer side and tails are facing inner side. And here comes a major point. Lipids are okay. We have seen the position of the lipids. Lipids का तो देख लिए. Then proteins का कौन देखेगा? Who is going to see the protein structures? Here comes a point. I'm drawing the protein structure. I'm drawing the protein structure. So on the screen, you are seeing three types of objects. On the screen, you are seeing three types of objects. एक minute, wait a minute. So here, see everyone, see whatever the inner side me could convert to object. I will try to draw that object with the help of the red color. Try to draw that object with the help of red color. Try to draw the object with the help of red color. The inner side, whatever this thing is there, the inner side, the molecule that I have drawn now, the inner side, whatever this molecule is there, that is actually a protein molecule. That is actually a protein molecule. and outer side also you having the protein molecules. Now ऊपर भी और नीचे भी protein molecules ఉన్నాయి. So inner side is a protein molecule and the outer side is also protein molecules. Now go and see your types of proteins now. Go and see your types of proteins. Two types of proteins are there. One is called as a extrinsic and the other one is called as a intrinsic proteins. Now. Extrinsic means external. Extrinsic means external proteins. Extrinsic means external proteins. Intrinsic means internal proteins. Now, intrinsic means internal proteins. Intrinsic means internal proteins. Go and see your diagram now. The red color thing, where it is present, the red color thing, whatever the red color thing is there, the red color thing as it is present internally, as they are present internally, as they are present internally they are present, then this protein is called as a intrinsic protein. 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 This protein is called as an intrinsic protein. Why intrinsic protein, you can ask me. So this, as very simple, वो protein जो भी है ना बीच में रह रहा, it is present between the two layers. जो भी layers है ना ऊपर भी lipids है नीचे भी lipids है, whatever the tails or whatever those things are there, they are present inside them. There is a term is there, embedded. ఒక టర్మ్ ఉంటుంది అమ్మా ఎంబెడెడ్, మీ మైండ్లోకి అయితే అర్థం కాదు ఎంబెడెడ్ అంటే ఏందో. Just present, just present means just present. I cannot explain the term or all these things very deeply. I'm just saying you means just saying that's it only. उतना deep में भी जाने की जरूरत नहीं. प्रोटीन मॉलिक्यूल्स हैं कहाँ पर है, अंदर है. दे व्हाट आर दोस जो स्ट्रक्चर्स है ना हाइड्रोफिलिक और हाइड्रोफिलिक हेड्स के बीच में जो भी प्रोटीन मॉलिक्यूल्स रह रहे हैं ना, द अटलांटिक प्रोटीन मॉलिक्यूल्स व्हिच आर प्रेजेंट इंटरनली दे आर कॉल्ड एज अ इंट्रिंसिक प्रोटीन्स. सो दिस गो एंड सी योर ग्रीन कलर थिंग, ग्रीन वाला जो भी है ना ऊपर और नीचे का जो भी व्हाट आर दीस थिंग्स आर देयर, where they are present, they are present outer side. Where they are present outer side. So as they are present outer side, they are called as a extrinsic proteins. 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 Very simple. Intrinsic proteins means the proteins which are present between the two layers, which are present between the membrane, which are present between the hydrophilic heads. ऊपर का हाइड्रोफिलिक हेड और नीचे का हाइड्रोफिलिक हेड के बीच में जो भी प्रोटीन्स बचे हुए रहते हैं ना, those are called as a intrinsic proteins. Or simply to say, proteins which are present inner side internally, they are called as a intrinsic proteins. Proteins ఏవైతే లోపట ఉంటాయో వాటిని ఇంట్రిన్సిక్ ప్రోటీన్స్ అంటారు. ప్రోటీన్స్ ఏవైతే బయట ఉంటాయో వాట్ ఆర్ ద ప్రోటీన్స్ స్టిల్ దే షుడ్ బి అటాచ్డ్. బయట ఉన్నాయి కదా అని చెప్పి ఇటు నుంచి ఇటు వెళ్ళిపోవాలి. They are just attached to the outer surface only. They will be just present at the outer side only. They will never enter inside. So they are present outer side, and such type of proteins are called as extrinsic proteins. So such type of proteins are called as extrinsic proteins. Now here last 5 minutes last 5 minutes everyone listen me. అయిపోయిన తర్వాత వెళ్ళిపోతాం. Last 5 minutes everyone listen me carefully. Amma just give me uh, hands up if you are able to understand this extrinsic proteins, or else should I want you to explain this thing again? Very simple topic में प्रोटीन्स जो भी है दो तरीके के प्रोटीन्स रहते हैं, एक्सट्रिंसिक एंड इंट्रिंसिक. एक्सट्रिंसिक प्रोटीन्स मींस बाहर रहने वाले प्रोटीन्स को एक्सट्रिंसिक बोलते हैं. इंट्रिंसिक मींस इंटरनली प्रेजेंट प्रोटीन्स कॉल्ड एज इंट्रिंसिक प्रोटीन्स. బయట ఉన్న ప్రోటీన్స్ నేమో ఎక్స్ట్రిన్సిక్ అంటారు, లోపల ఉన్న ప్రోటీన్స్ నేమో ఇంట్రిన్సిక్ అంటారు. అంతకంటే ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ ఏం లేదు అక్కడ. Everyone listen me carefully now. Here comes a major important point. Here comes a major important point. Let me zoom out again. See, this is the outer side. This is the outer side. This is the last 5 minutes. I will be leaving the class as soon as possible. నాకు కూడా వెళ్ళిపోవాలి ఉంటుంది, మరీ ఎక్కువ ఇది కూడా నేను. This is the outer side and this is the inner side. So if a lipid molecule which is present outer side, there is a lipid molecule which is present outer side, they want to enter inside. They want to enter inside of the cell. So the lipid molecule can enter very easily. The lipid molecule can enter very easily. You may ask me how they can enter very easily. because hydrophilic head, hydrophobic tail, whatever those things are there, they are made up of lipids. So as they are made up of lipid molecules కాబట్టి అవి bye they are like brother కాబట్టి the whatever this thing is there, they will allow the lipid molecule to go through the plasma membrane very easily, whatever the type of membrane it is. అర్థమవుతుంది కదమ్మా, బికాస్ దే ఆర్ మేడప్ ఆఫ్ లిపిడ్ మాలిక్యూల్ బయట నుంచి లోపలికి రావడానికి ट्राई చేస్తుంది, बाहर से अंदर आने के लिए ट्राई कर रहा लिपिड मॉलिक्यूल, या अंदर से बाहर जाने के लिए ट्राई कर रहा, कौन सा में सवाल. So lipid molecule can move very freely and they can pass through them very easily. Why? Because the membrane the is made up of the lipid molecules. So lipid there is no problem for them. अर्थమైంది కదా. For example, that is very easy. Lipid का तो समझ में आ गया होगा. Why? How the lipid can move very easily, because they are made up of the lipid itself only. Now understand, there is this molecule called as C6H12O6. What is that molecule? That is a glucose molecule. Now glucose molecule want to enter inside, yeah, want to go outside. Glucose molecule want to enter inside or want to go outside. Now here comes the point. Glucose ఏదైతే ఉందో, it is actually carbohydrate. గ్లూకోజ్ ఏదైతే ఉందో అదేమో కార్బోహైడ్రేట్. ఈ హెడ్స్ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో, ఈ ఏరియా మొత్తం ఇవన్నీ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో అవన్నీ కూడా వాట్ ఆర్ దే మేడప్ ఆఫ్, దే ఆర్ మేడప్ ఆఫ్ ద లిపిడ్స్. సో వాట్ విల్ హ్యాపెన్ నౌ మీన్స్ లిపిడ్ మాలిక్యూల్స్ విల్ నాట్ అలో ద గ్లూకోజ్ మాలిక్యూల్ టు ఎంటర్ ఇన్సైడ్. బయట ఉన్న కార్బోహైడ్రేట్ మాలిక్యూల్ ని లోపట్లకి రానివ్వడం లేదు. Whatever the molecule, whatever the glucose molecule which is present outside, it is not able to come inside. Very simple. If the glucose molecule is not coming inside, then there will be no production of ATP inner side. Lopatla ATP production kaadu. ATP production kaale anukunte there is no energy inside. Energy nahi rahega. Energy nahi raha to cell jo bhi hai na wo mar jayega. Is this what you actually want? मरने का प्लान है कि आपको? मरने का प्लान तो नहीं है, आपको मरने का प्लान तो नहीं है. Then try to solve this question. How the glucose molecule is going to enter inside? Tell me the answer, anyone. Glucose molecule ఏ విధంగా లోపలికి ఎంటర్ అవుతుందో చెప్పండి. 2 minutes, last 2 minutes I will be leaving the class after. Lipid molecule तो enter हो सकता. Lipid molecule can enter very easily. How the lipid molecule can enter very easily? Because all these things are made up of lipids itself only. तो लोग तो बाय बाय తెలుసు అమ్మ. ఇప్పుడు మీ గల్లీలో ఒక షాప్ ఉంది. నేను మీ గల్లీకి వచ్చి నేను లైక్ ఒక 1000 రూపీస్ ఇది చేసిన తర్వాత నేను తర్వాత కడతా, తర్వాత పైసలు ఇస్తా అంటే మీ గల్లీలో ఉన్న షాప్ కూడా ఊరుకుంటాడు? అస్సలు ఊరుకోడు. అదే మీ గల్లీలో మీరే పోయి ఆ షాప్ లోకి వెళ్ళి కొని రేపిస్తా అంటే మీ గల్లీ కూడా ఊరుకుంటాడు. ఎందుకంటే మీరు గల్లీ ఒకటి కాబట్టి. అంతే అమ్మ. వెరీ సింపుల్. వేరే స్టేట్ ఎక్కడికైనా వెళ్తే అక్కడ ఎవడైనా మన ఫ్రెండ్స్ మన తెలుగులో కనబడితే తెలుగు అని చెప్పి మనం ఇది చేసుకుంటాం. Same thing. Lipid, they are brothers, so they will allow the lipid molecules. But carbohydrate and lipids are totally different, strangers. They are totally strangers. Then how the carbohydrate molecule is going to... Alina, very good, ma. Alina, very good. Rohit also very good. Teja, very good logic. Teja says a very good logic. Good Teja, but the try కానీ అది మాత్రం కొంచెం ఇది కాదు, అది కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ కాదు. I mean, see, Teja, as you said, see what the Teja is trying to tell me, sir. Teja ఏం చెప్పిందంటే, sir, this is the structure, na sir. They will go upside and down, and they will allow the things to come inside. I mean, point ఏంటంటే ఇవేవైతే స్ట్రక్చర్స్ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో వాటి డైరెక్షన్ చేంజ్ కావు. క్లాక్ వైజ్, యాంటీ క్లాక్ వైజ్ డైరెక్షన్స్ తో రొటేట్ కానే కావు అవి. సో దట్ ఈస్ ఇంపాసిబుల్. The answer lies on your screen only. And Alina and Rohit also said that somehow they are able to say the answers also. Teja కావాలంటే నువ్వు రోహిత్ గారికి మెసేజ్ చేయి, నీకు చెప్తాడు నీకు. See, answer lies on your screen only. I'm already saying everyone, and remaining 8 people are there. 8 people, only 3 people are getting interacting. भूमिका ఏమైందమ్మా? భూమిక ఏమైంది? ఆస్వాసిన్ क्या हुआ? कुछ और था? रियान, सामिया. Clue भी दे दूंगा. I will try to give the clue also. They are present in the form of colors. Very simple answer, ma. How they will come inside means they will take the help of these molecules. Extrinsic and intrinsic proteins ka help leke, extrinsic and intrinsic proteins yokka help teeskoni, they will come inside. But that you have to keep in mind, ma. just see, let me tell you, let me go back to your one topic called as a permeability. పర్మియబిలిటీ అనే ఒక టాపిక్ తీసుకెళ్తాము నేను. పర్మియబిలిటీలో ఆ రోజు యూ స్టడీడ్ అబౌట్ 3 types of permeability. One is permissible, full permeability. Second one is a semi permeability. Last one is a impermeability. Plasma membrane is a semi permeable membrane. Semi permeable membrane. అర్థమైంది కదమ్మా. సో ఈ లిపిడ్స్ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో, ఏవైతే అవసరం ఉన్నాయి, ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో వీటిని మాత్రం లోపలికి రానిస్తుంది. వేరే అడ్డమైన థింగ్స్ ని దేన్ని కూడా లోపలికి రానియదమ్మా. ये जो भी लिपिड वाला स्ट्रक्चर और ये जो भी प्रोटीन वाला स्ट्रक्चर है ना, जो भी नेसेसिटी वाले कुछ अंदर आने देगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल कार्बोहाइड्रेट इज ए नेसेसिटी मॉलिक्यूल, so they will enter inside through the extrinsic and the intrinsic proteins. They will enter inside through the extrinsic and intrinsic proteins. Proteins will accept the glucose molecule and from one direction to another direction they will allow them to enter from the outer side to the inner side. అదే బయట ఒకవేళ వైరస్ ఉందనుకోండి, ఇఫ్ ద వైరస్ ఇస్ దేర్ and if that virus is made up of like if it is made up of a protein molecule, if it is made up of a protein molecule, then the extrinsic proteins and intrinsic proteins, whatever those proteins are, or even the lipid molecules, whatever those things are there, they will not even allow the virus to enter inside. Virus को अंदर आने भी करने भी नहीं देंगे. They will not even allow that type of things. थोड़ा समझ लो, थोड़ा डायग्राम पूरा रफ रफ हो गया, थोड़ा समझ लो. Whatever the necessity molecules are there, glucose is a necessity molecule. So even though lipids are not allowing them to come inside, so they will be able to come inside. How they will come inside means they will come through the proteins. Lipids అయితే they will allow the lipids. See, you may ask me, sir, virus, if the virus is lipid, अगर virus भी lipid से made हुआ होता तो lipid you are saying na bye bye, they are brother na sir, then the lipids will allow the viruses to enter inside and మీరు అడగచ్చు. The answer is no. The lipids are not that much moron. उतने वाला moron नहीं होते कि वो viruses को भी आने. I mean, these lipids can identify bad lipids and good lipids. Now, whatever these lipids are there, they can identify what are the bad lipids and good lipids. Yes, you may ask me, sir, is a type of concept भी रहता है कि नहीं रहता कि बोल के आप लोग भी पूछ सकते bad और good lipids बोल के. The answer is yes, ma. Fat का इसलिए लो. What are the fat is there? There are 2 types of fats are there: good fat and good fat. Good fat and bad fat, ma. जो भी आपका स्टोमक में एरिया में जो भी है ना स्टोर होके वो बैड फैट है. समटाइम्स गुड फैट इज आल्सो ऑयल जो भी लिखते देख करी तो ऑलिव ऑयल देख लो, ऑलिव ऑयल के ऊपर लिख के रहता है इट इज अ गुड फैट बोल के. अगर इफ यू आर ड्रिंकिंग दैट फैट या यूजिंग दैट फैट वाला करे तो थोड़ा बॉडी को ये हो रहता, एनर्जी आया था. बैड फैट इज टोटली बैड फॉर अस. I mean, what I'm trying to tell you is that whatever those things are there, they are bad proteins, they are bad molecules, and they are good molecules. No? So lipids will not allow the bad lipid molecules. It will allow only those lipid molecules which are necessary for the cell. That's it. That's it. We totally completed. मैं उतना deep में जाने वाला नहीं हूँ. Deep में गए तो भी आप लोगों को problem हो जाएगा. I have taken too much of class. Let me tell you why I have taken this much of class, because upcoming topics everywhere you will come across the membrane topic. So that's why I have taken this much of time. Just 2 minutes revision, ma. Then I will leave you people. Miremana S1. 2 minutes revision. Cell membrane. Started the introduction. Nagelin Kramer. Remember these 2 people name, and then the Plave, and then the Swan, and then the Swan. Just remember this person name, Swan. And after that, what we did means we came to know that every membrane, there are many membranes are there, and every membrane together सबको मिलाकर क्या बोल के बुलाना, सेल मेम्ब्रेन या बायो मेम्ब्रेन बोल के बुलाना बोल के मालूम हुआ. And after that we started what are the made up of. Membrane is made up of 2 most important things. One is the lipid and the other one a protein. Certain other molecules are also present. It is made up of certain other molecules also. That is not necessary. Only 2 molecules are important: lipids and proteins. And again, each and every membrane having a different type of concentrations. So हर एक membrane different type of concentrations. See, हर एक membrane में 50% protein is not a constant value. It's not a constant value. Constant में रहता बोलते वैसा भी नहीं रहता. The value changes every time. And then we next we see in the diagram and etc. All these things we have seen. First of all, what we have seen, first of all, we came to know that what are the lipids are there. 2 types of lipids are there: hydrophilic heads and hydrophobic tails. Phobic చెప్పిన ఫిలిక్ అంటే క్యాక్ ఓబి మీనింగ్ బోల్ దియా. Proteins are 2 types of proteins: extrinsic and intrinsic. Then I have drawn the diagram. Here you can see the diagram, how they are arranged, etc. ఏ విధంగా అరేంజ్ అయిందో మీరు చూడొచ్చు. The head circle shape जो भी है ना पूरे के पूरे heads है, and जो भी tail की तरह दिख रहे हो तो पूरे के पूरे. And in between them internally, if the proteins are present internally, they are called as intrinsic proteins. If the proteins are present outer side, they are called as extrinsic proteins. And then I tried to explain you how the molecules, how the respective things will come from the outer side to the inner side. the lipids they can cross over very easily because the interstructure is made up of lipids, so they are brother, they can cross over very simple. But if the carbohydrates, which are totally different molecule, if they want to enter, lipids will not allow. Then how they will be entering inside means they will take the help of the protein molecules. Protein molecules help తీసుకొని లోపలికి రావడానికి ట్రై చేస్తాం. That's it, man. This is more than enough, ma. దీనికంటే ఎక్కువ నేను పోనే ఉన్నాం. I will not go tomorrow onwards. Tomorrow we will have the new topic. That's it, ma. That's it. Last 2 minutes. Last not even 2 minutes. Last 1 minute. If you're having any doubts, you can ask me. If you're having any doubts, you can ask me. Last 1 minute. Or else, very good, Rohit. Rohit ki protocol తెలుసు. తెలుసు అమ్మ, డౌట్స్ లేకపోతే ఏం చేయాలో అర్థమైంది కదా. వెరీ గుడ్. వెరీ గుడ్, మా అస్మా. That's it, ma. Very good, ma. That's it, ma. That's it for everyone. Everyone, have a nice day, everyone. Have a nice day. Videos will be uploaded today. In that, the వాటి వాళ్ళు అప్లోడ్ చేస్తారు చూసుకోండి. If you're having any మళ్ళీ అర్థం కాలేదంటే ఒకసారి పోయి చూసుకోండి పాయింట్ టు పాయింట్. That's it, ma. That's it, everyone. Have a nice day, everyone. Have a nice day.